This oddly looking boy is known as the Monkey Boy. Currently, he is only 10 years old, but he possesses extraordinary abilities that humans don't have. He can climb trees quickly like a monkey, and he can make strange sounds like a monkey. Therefore, the villagers often tease him. Wherever the boy goes, there is always a group of people gossiping about him. This has led to extreme inferiority in the boy's heart. For a period of time, the boy refused to go out and play. He often stayed alone in the house. His mother saw the boy in this situation and felt extremely guilty. She believed that she had caused the tragedy for the boy in order to help the boy regain confidence. At the age of 60, she took the boy out for a run every day if she saw outsiders. The mother would loudly tell others that her child is not a monkey. In order to get the child to go to school, the mother kept applying to the school to let her child attend. But due to the boy's intellectual problems, the school never accepted him. After the boy's story was exposed by the media, kind-hearted people in society wanted to help the boy. They raised some funds for him. When the reporters interviewed the boy's mother, she said before giving birth to the boy, 3 children had already died. When the boy was born, relatives in the village advised her to abandon the boy, but the mother could not bear to do so. She insisted on raising the boy. As the mother's age continues to increase, there will come a day when she will leave this world. The mother's greatest wish is for her child to live independently. Today is the boy's birthday. The reporter prepared a cake for him. The boy also showed a long-lost smile. After discussing with his mother, the reporter took the boy away from the village because the boy needed to go to a special school without discrimination. The children here all have the same issues as him. According to the school's assessment of the boy, they found that his IQ is only 2 years old. The sounds he makes are not monkey calls, just random noises from himself. Do you think the boy can lead a simple life when he grows up?